What's gonna be? L-U-P-E. Yo, come on.
There's so many things to say right now. I got so much on my mind. Look at what is going down. How much higher can we climb? The system that we're living in depends on poverty and greed. But people don't need charity. It's justice that we need. There's history there. Hey, it's surrounding you, and it's worse than it's ever been. We'll overcome the things they do. Yeah, we're halfway there, 'cause we know the truth. But living is another thing. Overcome the things they do. Lift your voice and sing. Change is coming our way. Step by step and day by day. And we'll live by all that we say. In the name of democracy, that's how it is from the church. And they see my sisters on the move, making sure we all contain. Must have lost something on the way. We're refused today. Yeah, the history there. Hey, it's surrounding you, and it's worse than it's ever been. We'll overcome the things they do. Yeah, halfway there. We know the truth, but living is another thing. Overcome the things they do. Lift your voice and sing it, sing it, sing it. It's coming our way, step by step and day by day. And we'll live by all that we say. Step by step, not one day.
Before we go forward, we gotta take them back, so we can know what it did. 'Cause if you never know what happened in the past, then we can never know it's what it is. If we don't do it for us, we gotta do it for our kids, so they ain't gotta relive. See, there's so much happening that ain't gonna get fixed with singing and rapping, and we gotta take action in it. Turn that preaching to practicing, 'cause what happened back then will be right back again. But each one teach one, 'cause we only as fast as the last one straggling. So help them out.
Said it won't be long, won't be long.
Und was sagen Sie dazu?
Coming on strong, yeah. Ooh, we gonna overcome. Step by step. As long as we are, change is coming our way. Ooh, step by step and day by day. Step we'll live by all that we say. Yeah, step by step, people. Change is coming our way. Step by step and day. You know it's coming. Step by step, not
For my people in the front, in the North Place section. This is for the heads up, dropping the mix. My people in the front, confidence there. Got us in the box, up for the pitch. Who top, play dope, up in this bitch. And we the punk leaders, punks you can't beat us. We bump and pump meters, we drunk, you chumps need us. So jump with us, down the front, if it's your flavor, can't get drunk with us. This life, and I'm nothing like that. By now I should have had some land, some money in my hand, round about 50 grand, but I got nothing. Other runs in the bus, I keep suffering. Cause the lines of the dust, you keep sniffing. That shit is for the pound bros, that shit is for my bros, my people in the front row.
Alright, you guys know I'm falling in love with the people in the front row.
check it out. I got hip-hop taste buds. I wanna hear that bass when I make love. Wanna hear some lyrics when I wake up. Write rhymes to get me through a breakup. Rough up with you straight, no chaser. With 350 brakes, no paper. Till I found this one and laser. Bass up with the drum. My savior, come back, tongue that sharp like a thumbtack. Soy tight, James is saying, get my foot back. One track, A-track, that residual. Noise man, fuck that, we clean with the digital. Toys, I'm the Apache, you're failing to match me. Throw your hands in the air like you're hailing a taxi. I move to the funk flow, you're stepping, now you drunk, bro. This is for my peeps and the freaks in the front row.
People in the front row.
People don't complain if stuff is in here and you in the front row, covered in beer and club bonus rows. Say the place is reckless. If the roof is on fire, it's an electrical fault. Manifestation bold when I bring it live like Friday night. 40 in my hoodie, I can hide out. Get live on the break, so I pace one. Lads, if you're heading to the bar, grab your nice one. Ladies, come chill, come watch with me, honey. I got like $500,000 with Monopoly money. There's no stopping me, honey. So you can take my hand, we can lay on the beach and count grains and Santa, take a plane to Japan and drink sake with the mafia. Fly to Libya for some Bacardi to Gaddafi. Dinner day followed by a funk show. We'll rip off the tops and drop around in the front row.
Not for the money and it's not for the applause, no.
It's for the noise, please, section.
You know I look around, face like no, fell in love with the people in the front row. You know I look around.
Schon scheiße, wenn hier Erde liegt, ne? Sketchy. Yeah.